We are following an NBC26 storm alert. A winter storm warning is now in effect for most of northeast Wisconsin. We have a winter weather advisory for the southern counties. We're going to be looking at a mixture of snow, sleet, freezing rain, and some rain, especially across parts of Sheboygan County. As we head through tomorrow, it's going to be mainly snow north and west of the Fox Valley. It'll be falling heavily at times from the Fox Valley south and east towards the lakeshore. We'll be looking at that mixture of freezing rain, sleet, and snow. Now, when it comes to freezing rain and sleet, we could see significant icing across part of the viewing area, especially from the Fox Valley south and east. The computer forecast models are suggesting that 1/10 to 3/10 of an inch of icing is possible. And when you get into that range, we're talking about the potential for tree limbs sagging or breaking and also some power outages. So that's something we definitely need to keep in mind. Now, north and west of the Fox Valley, where it's all snow, we're going to be seeing 6 to 12 inches or more by the time we get to tomorrow night. Now, it's that in-between zone where the forecast becomes very tricky as far as snowfall conditions are concerned. We're going to talk about 1 to 3 inches here from Oshkosh to around the Fox cities, over towards Kewanee and Algoma, and then just north and west of that from Watoma to around Shiocton to Swamico and Howard up towards Sturgeon Bay, about 3 to 6 inches. Of course, if the storm changes its track by a mere 15 or 20 miles, then those snow bands could shift south and east or north and west. So stay tuned. That forecast is not set in stone just yet. Now, as we head throughout the night, some patchy light snow, freezing rain, and sleet. Accumulations will be minor. From 6 a.m. to noon, that's when the storm starts to organize. We're going to see freezing rain and sleet mixing with some snow across the Fox Valley, and then everything goes over to snow as we head into the late afternoon and evening as some colder air begins to wrap in from the north and west. So snow, heavy at times, north and west of the Fox Valley as we head through the next 24 to 30 hours. From the Fox Valley south and east, freezing rain, sleet, and snow. We're going to have gusty northeast winds. That means a lot of blowing and drifting, especially where we see the heavy snow north and west of the Fox Valley. Power outages are possible where we have icing. And yes, we will have hazardous traveling conditions. Right now, it is quiet and cloudy. Temperatures range from the lower 20s to the upper 20s across northeast Wisconsin. In Green Bay, it is currently 23 degrees with overcast conditions. In the valley, it looks like we've got a little bit of light fog, and the temperature is 23 degrees. Storm Shield radar shows quiet weather right now, but that'll be changing later on tonight. You can see the initial band of mixed precipitation quickly approaching from the south and west. The actual storm is still way off to our south and west. It's organizing here across northern Texas and Oklahoma. You can see the track it's going to be taking as it moves north and east throughout the night into tomorrow. Numerous winter storm warnings and advisories are in effect just to the north and west of the track of the storm. Now, as you take a look at SkyCast here, you can see cloudy skies across the area this evening. We'll see that light wintry mix develop by around 9:30 or 10 o'clock. We'll have an on and off light wintry mix throughout the night, but even a light wintry mix could cause some problems as far as icing is concerned tomorrow morning. Then the storm really starts to organize during the late morning and early afternoon. Snow heavy at times north and west of the Fox Valley. From the Fox Valley south and east, we'll have that wintry mix. Then as colder air starts to wrap in during the afternoon and evening, we'll see that wintry mix go over to snow. That's when most of us will see accumulating snow, and then the whole storm will eventually wind down by the time we get to midnight tomorrow night. High temperatures tomorrow, mainly in the mid to upper 20s, but as the storm exits to the east, much colder air is going to start pouring back into the state. In fact, by Friday morning, we will be talking about wind chills once again dipping down into the teens and 20s below zero. So tonight, a light wintry mix and windy, temperatures holding steady. Tomorrow, a heavy wintry mix and windy, temperatures will be in the mid to upper 20s. On Friday, frigid conditions with highs around 8, 12 below Saturday morning, 10 for a high, but quiet. Some light snow on Sunday. We warm up a little bit. A break in the action on Monday, and then another significant storm heads our way for Tuesday into Wednesday. Regina, we are in a very active weather pattern across northeast Wisconsin, and it shows no signs of stopping.
It really seems like it's nonstop the past couple of weeks, and now here we go. It's going to keep going.
Yeah, and this is a significant storm. Heavy snow and significant icing likely.